Spirit FM on your 10-year anniversary. As Governor of Antique, I take great pleasure in congratulating Spirit FM on their 10 years of service to the Antiqueños. Apart from providing high-quality entertainment, we also feed the people with inspiring messages of faith and resilience, especially now that we are in the face of pandemic. As we move forward sa ating nga realidad, may you continue to be my partner and our partners in making the people of Antique well-informed, entertained, and inspired. Durog nga nagapanghangkat sa atin atubangan, pero bangod sa kapag-un inyo ginpakita sa pulo ka tuig, sigurado gid ako nga malambawasan natin dyan. To DYK, Spirit FM family, congratulations gid for a job well done. Your hard work and passion made the station reach this far. You are the fuel that keeps this station alive. Cheers! And many more service to you. Spirit FM, sama-sama tayo, we do as one. Sama-sama together, always and forever, kalma lang, abansi kita.